Do you think turning a single long video into a stack of viral short clips requires hiring a full editing team or spending hours manually cutting every single frame? Think again, because I recently took a single webinar-style recording and turned it into 5 scroll-stopping short videos in under 20 minutes. That means no wrestling with complex timelines, no dealing with freelance invoices, and absolutely zero professional editing experience required. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how I do that using Vizard and a little bit of ChatGPT magic to handle the heavy lifting. If you are a Shopify seller, a content creator, or someone just trying to stay consistent on social media without it eating your entire life, this workflow is for you. First, let's be real about why this actually matters in today's digital landscape. People simply don't sit and watch hour-long videos on platforms the way they used to anymore. The average scroller flicks through dozens of posts every single minute, so static screenshots and long uploads just won't cut it. You need motion, high pacing, and tight storytelling to truly capture attention. Big brands understand this, and they spend thousands making short, emotion-driven clips that feel polished. But the cool part is that you don't need a 3-person crew to get that high-end vibe. You just need the right long-form source material and an AI that actually understands where the good bits are hidden. That is exactly where a tool like Vizard comes into the picture. A bunch of tools out there do interesting things like Runway, Midjourney, Higgsfield, or CapCut. Some are amazing at turning stills into cinematic motion, while others are great at visual effects or image synthesis. But most of those require heavy artistic inputs, paid credits, or a very steep learning curve. Vizard's sweet spot is different because it looks at your long content and finds the moments with the most engagement potential. It auto-edits them into ready-to-post clips, meaning you get viral-ready snippets without manual scrubbing. Okay, let's talk about the practical stuff, because before you touch Vizard, you need a solid long video. This could be a product demo, a live stream, a podcast episode, an AMA, or even a long-form compilation. The key is having good audio and a clear moment where something interesting actually happens. Look for strong hooks, aha moments, a product reveal, or even a funny reaction. Record on your phone near a window with decent audio, and honestly, that is more than enough. I always record a few extra minutes at the start and end so the AI has context to work with. Next, let's discuss concepting. Because you shouldn't just dump raw footage into an editor and hope for the best. You will want a specific vibe and a distribution plan for your content. I like to open ChatGPT and prompt it for short-form clip ideas based on the long video. Try asking for 5 high-energy hooks that would work as Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Include requests for suggested captions, thumbnail text, and specific emotional triggers like surprise or curiosity. Paste in a quick synopsis of your long video and let the AI spit out a mini storyboard for you. This speeds everything up and turns a messy 1-hour recording into a clear content map. Now hop over to Vizard and upload your long video, as the interface is super intuitive. What blew me away the first time was how Vizard's auto editing identifies moments that are likely to trend. It easily finds laughs, big reaction beats, product reveals, or segments where a viewer might be naturally curious. The tool highlights, timestamps, and generates a lineup of perfect clip candidates automatically. From there, you can preview each suggested clip and quickly accept, trim, or combine them as you like. One thing people often forget is that captions and aspect ratios are absolutely huge. Vizard auto-generates subtitles and gives you crop presets for vertical, square, and landscape formats. No more re-editing just to get the right size for Instagram stories or TikTok. I usually choose vertical 9:16 for Reels and short ads, and then tweak the text overlay and thumbnail. The editor also offers quick styling presets that make clips feel premium without any manual keyframing. Contrast that with other tools, where some image-to-video platforms are great for creating brand ads from scratch. But if you already have long-form content and want consistent, high-volume short clips, that is not the best route. Manual editors are powerful but slow, while complex visual effects software is often overkill for batch repurposing. Vizard sits right in the middle, offering smart automation that respects your time and scale. Let me walk you through a real example where I recorded a 25-minute product walkthrough. In Vizard, it automatically flagged 7 high-potential moments for me to review. I picked 5 of those, let the AI create the cuts, and auto-generated captions and thumbnails instantly. It took about 12 minutes from the initial upload to having finished, polished clips. I then used the built-in scheduler to set daily posts across all my social platforms for the next week. That scheduling feature is absolute gold for staying consistent without the daily grind. Instead of manually uploading the same clip to different platforms, you set the cadence and Vizard takes care of the rest. If you want a clip posted every other day at peak hours, it handles that effortlessly. If you want to run A/B tests with 2 different openers, you can schedule them and watch the metrics roll in. And that brings us to the content calendar, which is a game changer for planning and management. You can see which clips are slated for which platform, rearrange the schedule, and preview your queue. For creators and e-commerce teams juggling promos, this replaces a messy spreadsheet and a frantic upload schedule. Let's be honest about limitations because no tool is perfect every single time. Vizard's Auto Editing is phenomenal, but sometimes you will want more nuance in your edits. That is fine because Vizard lets you manually edit your clips after the AI does the heavy lifting. Also, while it captions speech accurately, heavy accents or noisy recordings might need a quick proofread. Compare that to doing everything by hand, and you still save hours of tedious work every single week. So, what is the big win for Shopify merchants and other business owners? It is all about repurposing your best content to maximize your reach. Instead of recording 5 different short videos, record 1 in-depth demo and let Vizard produce multiple variations. You end up with a suite of assets, from product page clips to social teasers, without staging 5 separate shoots. A quick pro tip on hooks. The first 1 to 3 seconds of your video are everything. When Vizard suggests a clip, scan the start and ask yourself if someone will keep scrolling. If not, just use Vizard's trim tool to move the hook right to the front. Pair that with punchy captions like "Wait till you see this" and you will significantly increase your retention. Let's recap because this process is incredibly short and practical for anyone. Step 1. Record 1 solid long-form piece with good audio and clear moments. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to concept quick hooks and caption ideas for your clips. Step 3. Upload to Vizard, let the auto editing find the juicy bits, and pick the best clips. Step 4. Use the styling presets and auto subtitles, tweaking them if you need to add a personal touch. Step 5. Schedule via the auto schedule and manage everything in the content calendar. That is it. No timeline wrestling and no expensive editors, yet you get professional-looking videos that convert. If you are testing ad creative or trying to keep your socials active without burning out, this workflow scales beautifully. You can turn 1 webinar, Q&A, or demo into an entire month of short-form content. And when compared to tools that require heavy manual work, Vizard clearly saves time and keeps your creative output consistent. Try it out with something you already have, like an old live stream or a podcast episode. You will be surprised how many gems are hiding in those long forgotten recordings. Check the link to a free trial in the description if you want to poke around and test it yourself. Once you get the hang of cutting long form into short, you will never want to go back to uploading single, long videos. All right. That is the walkthrough for today. If you want, I can show a follow-up where I take one of these clips and show how to craft a thumbnail for paid ads. But for now, grab a long video, try Vizard's Auto Editing, and see how quickly you can fill your content calendar without losing your weekends. Peace.